Hi guys, welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. I wanted to do a little video on a little battle of the top coats to see which one works best over a foil manicure with regular top coat. So I do have 5 top coats here. The first one is my favorite Seche Vite Fast Dry Top Coat that I will be applying to my pinky. Next up we have Sally Hansen's Diamond Flash Shine. This is also a fast dry top coat that'll be going on the ring finger. For the middle finger, we have another Sally Hansen. This is Hard as Nails Extreme Wear Invisible. I believe that is just a clear polish. And then now we have C&D's VINYLUX Weekly Top Coat. That'll be going on my pointer finger. And then last up, we have Color Club. This, I believe, is also just a clear polish, not marketed as a top coat. So let's get started. Here we're grabbing our Seche Vite, and we're just going to apply a nice thick layer onto the pinky. This is a nice thick top coat. As you all know, this is my favorite. Now you can see right away that the foil is actually starting to crinkle. It pretty much happened instantly. Now we have Sally Hansen's Diamond Flash top coat. This one is a bit of a thinner consistency than Seche Vite. And the foil is starting to crackle a bit, but not as quickly as it did with the previous top coat that we tried out. Now we have Sally Hansen's Extreme Wear Invisible Polish. This one's a little bit thicker than the previous one, but not as thick as Seche Vite. This one, the foil seems to be holding up pretty well so far. We are getting a little bit of crackling there. Now we have our C&D VINYLUX Weekly Top Coat. This one I would say is about the same consistency as the Sally Hansen Diamond Flash Top Coat. And this one started to actually almost split up the foil. It almost made it like a very crackled effect. And then now we have our Color Club. I think this is just a clear polish, just like the Sally Hansen Extreme Wear. It doesn't say whether it's a top coat or not. This is a very thin polish, so I do think it's a polish and not a top coat. So here you have the nails after just one coat of top coat. This is right after I applied the one coat, and then now I'm going to come in with a second coat of the respected polishes. Here you have the nails right after the second layer of top coat was applied. You can see right away that the pinky is looking pretty foggy, and the index finger, the foil, is looking very crackled. It's a pretty cool effect. If you like that, go for it. It is a very shiny top coat, the C&D VINYLUX. The thumb, the hollow is still there. However, I don't find it to be shiny. It doesn't really look like there was a top coat on it. And I think the pinky has just lost its hollow shine altogether. One last look at the thumb here. In my opinion, the results are that the worst top coat is the Seche Vite, my all-time fave, but not for foil, as you can see here. Then next, going from worst to best, I would say the C&D VINYLUX and then the Color Club Clear Polish are next up for our battle of the top coats. First runner-up, I guess, would be what we applied to the ring finger, which is the Sally Hansen Diamond Flash. top coat, fast dry. This is also a fast dry top coat, which fast dry top coats are known to shrink your polishes, so I'm actually surprised that it didn't look worse. And then I would say the best looking one is our middle finger. How fitting. And that is the Sally Hansen Extreme Wear Invisible Polish. And I bet a third coat of this would make it look even more hollow and luscious. So there you have it, guys. Battle of the top coats over foil on regular polish. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.